Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Land Rover Defender 130 3-litre D350 X-Dynamic SE. Now this vehicle is a diesel with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Carpathian Grey metallic paint. To start off with, then you have your LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 20-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels with a silver finish, really complementing against the Carpathian Grey exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you have a full-size spare alloy wheel, ideal for any occasion you may need it. Once we open up the boot, you can see that this vehicle does in fact have a 8-seat configuration, allowing you to carry those extra passengers. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the ebony leather upholstery. The rear seats do have Isofix fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. Moving through the front of the vehicle, you can find your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This vehicle has a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. Taking a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 958 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring you always take the quickest yet safest route possible. DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, along with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps to listen to your own music. You also have your 4x4 information, terrain response drive modes, and of course your wade sensing. All these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain. Further helping even more, you also have an electronic air suspension helping to raise or lower the vehicle, making it suitable for most conditions. And of course you also have the 360 view camera, which allows you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. The front seats in this vehicle are both heated, which is a luxury to have, especially on those colder days, and this is paired with a dual zone climate control where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger. This has been a presentation on a Land Rover Defender 130 3-litre D350 X-Dynamic SE that's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.